Hi guys, this is your girl Renee, and this is another edition of Cooking in the Kitchen with Renee. So you know how much I love going to Aldi. So I went into Aldi's and I found that they had some of their pot roast on clearance. And normally on Wednesdays is when they mark down all of their meats. So make sure on Wednesday you go in there because most of them are like, I'm going to show you, they're like 30% off. And what I picked up was, like I said, their pot roast, and it comes with a package of vegetables that has potatoes, carrots, celery, and onions in it. And it comes with a flavor package, and I'm going to show you what the meat looks like. You get one nice size piece of pot roast in each package, and I got 2 packages because I needed 2 in order to feed my family. So I've already washed it. I seasoned it up. And what I've got here is that I have cut up a whole bunch of vegetables. Their onion was frozen, so you guys know what a frozen onion look like. It's like really watery. So I elected to cut up my own onion. And then some more fresh bell peppers. And then it comes with the beautiful seasoned packet that comes in there. So, and they also, this is what their package of vegetables look like. They give you a nice size of red potatoes. Their carrots could look a little bit better. And they give you a few carrots. And I have carrots, so I'm just going to add a little bit more to mine. And on my stove, I have the pot. On the stove, as you guys can see over there, I have my stove. It has all my seasonings in it. So I'm about to go and put this meat into that pot. And then I'm going to add the rest of the season package. And then we're going to start getting this pot roast to cooking. So let's go on over to the stove and let's get this meat into the pot. All right, you guys. So I have the 2 pot roasts right here. And we are just going to stick them inside of this stock pot. Get it all in there. Looks good. And then we're going to add our vegetables to it. But let me show you what it looks like inside of the pot. All right, you guys. So this is what is in the pot. And this is that first season packet that they provide you. And I've also added some more onions and some salt and pepper and Q. I'm using some of your shepherd and romaine peppers that you sent me. See, I only have this much left, girl, but I'm going to put it in this pot roast. And I know those seasonings you made for me is going to taste so good. So let's get the rest of our bell peppers and onions into the pot. All right, guys, so let's get these onions and bell peppers into the pot. I don't know about you, but I like a well-seasoned meat, and I love for my flavors to come out in my cooking. So the more seasonings that you put in there, the better your meat will absorb all of those fantastic flavorings and seasonings. All right, so let's finish putting our onions in there. That's looking good. And I might as well put this celery in there too. I'll leave off on the carrots because it's going to take a while for the carrots to soften up. I want to make sure the meat is well flavored before I add any more vegetables into this pot. So let's give it a good stir. And I have this on medium high because when you do a pot roast, you want it to cook it low and slow. So, all right, guys, so I'll come back when the pot roast is starting to look all nice and tender and it's cooked down, because I also put a package of brown gravy in there because I want like a nice savory thickened sauce in there. So the pot roast can also absorb the flavor of that brown gravy. All right, I'll be back. And I can't wait to show you how wonderful this pot roast is going to be looking. Hey guys, so this pot roast is starting to look good. Let me show you a piece of this pot roast. Look at that. Woohoo, don't that look good? Sorry, my phone is fogging up, but look at it. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to put all the rest of our vegetables in there. I'm going to put my potatoes in there, my carrots in there. So let me show you. So I have my potatoes here. I'm going to dice these up, put them in the pot, and I'm going to dice up these carrots, and I'm going to put them in the pot. And then once they get really nice and soft, then it's going to be time to eat. Going to make me some cornbread. We're going to have some pot roast. I'll make some rice, and woo! And it's still a nice little cold, chilly day over here in Virginia, Zone 7B. So this is going to be a perfect time to make some beautiful, delicious pot roast. Look at these potatoes. I'm going to wash them up real good again, cut some of these black spots off of here. But like I said, if you ever have an opportunity to go to Aldi's on Wednesday and check out all their markdown of their meats and stuff. So if I ever, excuse me, are in Aldi's on a Wednesday, I will show you exactly what to look for. And let me show you the package again, because this was only, total was only $8.19, and then with the 30% off, see, it was like maybe like $6 and something. So that's not bad to get a nice sized piece of meat, get all the vegetables, the celery and the onion and the potatoes and anything else that you want to throw in there. You just add it in there. I had to add the bell peppers and stuff in mine, and some more cut up onions, because I love that flavor that onion gives to a beef a pot roast. So yeah, child, let's get these potatoes cut up and let's get them in our pot. Woohoo! Alright guys, so I took all the meat, to pot roast meat, out of the pot because I want to put all our potatoes and our carrots into this pot, and I want them to soak up all that goodness that we have in this gravy. Look at this gravy. Isn't that some good looking gravy with them bell peppers and onions? So I'm just going to put our potatoes and our carrots into this pot, and then we're going to stir this bad boy up. Sorry about my hand. And we are going to let them get nice and tender in here. Look at that. Let me hold this camera better. Hold on. Okay, now, see, let me show you. Isn't that looking good? Look at all that. Got the potatoes I just put in there. We got all them, the celery and the bell peppers. Carrots are in here. This pot roast is going to be fantastic. So I'm just going to let these potatoes and carrots get tender, and then I'm going to taste them, make sure all my seasonings are on point. When I do, I'm going to put this meat back into this pot, and then we're going to get the rest of our dinner together. Woo, child, I can't wait to eat this dinner. I got to get my mix and my stuff ready for my cornbread, because that's coming up next. All right, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. You guys, so the dinner is done. I have my zucchini with stewed tomatoes and some chili peppers in there and a little bit of sriracha in there. And then I have my rice here. And then here is our pot roast. And then in the back, I have some corn bubbling away. So let me get my plate fixed, and I will show you how we are eating over here. Woohoo! All right, let's get ready to grub, you guys. Oh, and I forgot to show you my cornbread. Look at that. Cut it into cubes. So all you got to do is scoop it, put it on your plate, and get ready to eat. All right, let me get my plate together. All right, you guys, so here is my dinner. We have some really beautiful buttery cornbread. We have that scrumptious pot roast with the carrots and the potatoes. Look at that. And then we have our zucchini and stewed tomatoes and bell peppers and onions and some sriracha and a little bit of a chili flakes. And then we have that beautiful corn on the cob. Well, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Cooking in the Kitchen with Renee. I'll see you next time when we are going to be making some, let me see what our next recipe is going to be. Some sweet and spicy chicken drumette. Woohoo! So stay tuned for that, you guys. Have a wonderful day, and Miss Renee will see you in the next video. One more look. Zucchini, scrumptious. Beautiful cornbread, pot roast and carrots. Look at that. And a beautiful ear of corn. Love it, love it, love it. All right, you guys, take care, and I'll see you next time. Woohoo!